Hey guys, if you're still wasting time coding everything by hand, today discover a smarter way to design websites using AI with just one tool, DeepSeek. Grab your coffee and let's get started. You don't need a lot of time to create designs like these. Just a few seconds is all you'll need. First, create a new folder. Name it Landing Page. Open it in Visual Studio Code. Then, create a new HTML file. Now go to DeepSeek and write this prompt. Using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, create a dark-themed landing page with a full-screen background image. Add a top nav bar, logo left, nav link center, search bar plus button right. Include a left-aligned hero section with bold title, orange highlight, and a Join Us CTA. On the right, place a login form with social media icons. Use modern fonts, smooth hover effects, modern animations, and a responsive layout. Wait for the code to generate. Then, copy the code. Paste it into the HTML file. Run the code. Look at the result. It's clean and professional. If you want to change the background, open Pinterest. Search for a background image you like. Download it. Add it to your project. Run the file again. Look at the result. It's amazing. Now, if you're not happy with the design and want a more modern look, what would you do? You can simply write, "Can you give me a more modern design?" Wait for the new code. Copy it, paste it into the HTML file, run it. Wow, wow, wow! This looks even better. Oh, look at this! It's so important to learn how to talk to AI, bro. Quiz time. 1. What prompt should you write to control the font size? Change the color? Change the font weight? Change the text align? Change the font size? 2. If you're not satisfied with the first result and want a more modern design, what prompt would you write? 3. If you want to change the content and color, what prompt would you write? 4. What prompt would you write to design a header like this? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and follow for more. See you in the next one.